Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the REALME 16. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I always start from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. Little obvious I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate Pair mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not for your phone. Open the settings, then go to the general additional settings, and swipe down to the backup and reset. Then go to the reset phone and choose network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Enter your password and tap on the Reset Network Settings button. After that, look again for your device at the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to up your system, so you have to open the about device and click on the REALME UI. Now check if you have any updates, just install it and check again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.